Story time. We have a large playroom with not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, but 7 windows. And I bought the cheap, flimsy blinds for them. Something like this. These, yes, I still have them in one of my rooms, and I need to upgrade. Hence the point of this video. Anyways, my kids had no problem cracking and putting holes into the old blinds, so I decided to upgrade to, yes, still considered a pretty basic blind, but these faux blinds right here are much more durable, and let me tell you my favorite things about them. Number one, they look great. If they don't break, they look great. That's half the battle, but the bigger blinds certainly look a lot better, and it's not a whole lot more expensive than the cheapo blind. So buy nice or buy twice. Well, if you buy nice with these, you will definitely have blinds that last a lot longer than the other ones. They're not invincible, but they're pretty good. And when you do it, it comes with a few things. Yes, it's a normal window. You twist it to open the view, twist it to shut it. That's nothing out of the ordinary. Now, the newer blinds, you may have noticed, when you lift it up, it's automatic. It goes up. You don't have to pull a string, which is quite nice. But one of the finishing touches I really like is there are these covers. Now, it's nothing super fancy, right? But you can see, I put my camera under here, this is just your metal box that you mount it. You have a box on both sides, you have a bracket somewhere. Well, that's kind of ugly. So they do come with these covers to kind of give it a casing, molding look that makes it look a lot better. And you can see I've got them on every single one. Now they can be adjusted. This one's a little off right now. But overall, it looks really nice. Yes, this room is messy, deal with it. So these blinds, they come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. I would highly, highly recommend you measure your window seals and measure them precisely. Now, I'm gonna post a link below. You can buy all sorts of shapes and sizes. When we bought blinds before, we had to go to a physical store. This was so much nicer. It ships to your house. It's 2024/2025, maybe even beyond if you're watching this. It's about time you just have it shipped to your house. Amazon is the way to go. That's why almost everything I own is bought on Amazon. Anyways, as I was saying, if you go through, I mean, there are maybe even 100 different sizes. There are so many different sizes. Just scroll through. You'll be able to find the size for your window. Unless you have one of the weirdest windows ever, you really should be able to find the size quite easily. So anyways, these are the blinds. I love them. Again, we probably spent just over 400 bucks on all these, but it was worth the investment, worth the privacy, and worth the durability. Thanks for watching. Peace.